Hello viewers, Apple has been able to make a craze for iPhone among the Indian users. A good number of people want to buy iPhones in Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale or Amazon's Great Indian Sale. But what will be the prices of iPhones during the sale period? Today in this video I will talk about the expected price of iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 14 and iPhone 15. Last year iPhone 11 was sold at a price point of 28,000 in Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale. But this year iPhone 11 will be sold at a very lower price. iPhone 11 is a 4G device and it has IPS display. According to me, it makes no sense buying iPhone 11 in 2023 because in India 5G is available everywhere and iPhone 11 is not a future-proof device. However, if you still want to buy iPhone 11, you can buy this device at a price point of 22 to 23,000 rupees in BBD sale. Next there is iPhone 12. iPhone 12 was the first device from Apple which had 5G capability. It has 6.1 inches OLED display, good sets of cameras, A14 Bionic chipset, decent battery life. This is a very good option for those users who want a 5G device at a lower budget. iPhone 12 will be available at a price point of 32,000 rupees and in this price this is a value for money product. So if you want to buy a 5G phone you can go for iPhone 12 and you should wait for the Big Billion Days to get the offers. The next device for which a good number of people are waiting for is iPhone 13. This smartphone has A15 Bionic chipset, 6.1 inches OLED display, good sets of cameras and a very good battery life, and this will get updates for 3 years more. This is the best value for money device in the whole Apple lineup. iPhone 13 was sold last year as low as 48,000 rupees, but this year you will get this device under 44,000. But in order to buy it in 44,000 rupees, you have to be ready for the flash sale in Flipkart BBD sale. If you can get this device below 44,000 rupees, it will be a very good buy. The next device that you can buy is iPhone 14. iPhone 14 was launched in 2022. This year you can buy this device at a price point of rupees 50,000 after applying bank cards and cashback, and in 50,000 this is a great buy. If you want a new phone you can go for iPhone 14. It has 6.1 inches OLED display, A15 Bionic chipset, good sets of cameras and a decent battery life. It will give you 4 years of updates. This is a slight difference between iPhone 13 and iPhone 14, and in iPhone 14 you will get 2 GB extra RAM, action mode in the camera and 1 year more software update. If you are liking this video, please hit the like button and share the video and subscribe the channel to grow me in the YouTube algorithm. Now everybody is asking what will be the final price of iPhone 15 in Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale and Amazon Great Indian Sale. Currently during the launch offer, iPhone 15 is selling at a price point of 80,000. But after applying HDFC credit card, you will get 5,000 rupees cashback. So the effective price is 75,000 rupees. But during BBD sale, you can buy this device at around 70,000 rupees. iPhone 15 has some good features such as dynamic island in the display, Type-C port, 48 megapixel main sensor with 2x optical zoom, A16 Bionic chipset and 5 years of OS updates. So now you have to decide whether you would take iPhone 14 or 15. By the way, the difference between iPhone 14 and 15 is about 20,000 rupees, and after spending 20,000 more you will get all these features which I have mentioned earlier. Do let me know in the comment sections below what is your budget and which smartphone are you going to buy in BBD sale, and what's your thought regarding this video. Stay tuned to the channel for the latest news and updates about iPhones. I will post some videos regarding offers and discounts on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.